Look at the dumbass. He can't get out of the bag.
And then there's Monkey. Here, Monkey. There you go. Monkey, are you gonna let Ollie out the bag? Ollie doesn't know how to get out.
His fat head is stuck in the bag.
I don't think he knows how to get out. Ooh, look at those eyes.
Ollie, how are you going to get out? What are you going to do, buddy? What are you going to do? Try to pull away from him.
His whole body.